I'm bringing one person in. Before we get started. Good afternoon. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Thank you so much, Officer. Now calling the matter of the people versus Levanta Deshawn Walker. This is ticket number P1298619. This is one count indecent exposure. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel, P38930.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Levante Walker.
This is the date time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
We waive reading of the information in this matter, Your Honor, stand mute.
At this time, I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. This matter is a state matter, Mr. Walker, and the state attorney is not with us in the afternoon, so if you would like to get back in the morning time, okay? If not, you can proceed and have a bench trial. I'll give you a date for that today, or a jury trial. You're entitled to have either one of those options. What would you like to do, Mr. Walker?
I'm sorry, I could not hear you. I hear somebody else stuff in the background.
Okay, so you have three options today, Mr. Walker, okay?
Okay.
The first option is that you can come back another day because I need to get an offer from a state prosecutor and they're not here in the afternoon. You can also just have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the try and finder of facts, or you can have a jury trial. That's with 6 citizens in the city of Detroit will hear your matter and they judge it just like I judge the stuff. How do you want to move forward today, Mr. Walker?
I'd rather do the first option.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a new date to come back. November 22nd, but it's gonna be in the morning time, okay? So that we can make sure someone's here to give you an offer. November 22nd, that's gonna be at 8:30 a.m., okay? Via Zoom, same way you zoomed in today, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Walker. Your bond's gonna be set at $0 personal. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Ms. Wells, can you unmute yourself and turn on your camera, please?
My camera is broken.
No. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus and Adriana Monet Mary Wells. This is ticket P1352125, one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Adriana Wells.
All right. How are we proceeding today, counsel? This is the date time set for an arraignment on the information.
Waive reading of the information in this matter, stand mute. We do have a plea, Your Honor.
This time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. You said we do have a plea though, Attorney Humphreys?
Yes, we do.
All right. Ms. Wells, you want to take advantage of that plea today?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wells, you had a chance to talk to Attorney Humphreys about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you would like, did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that if you take this guilty plea today, you're gonna give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 3rd of 2022. At that time, did you own a Chevy vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Council, will you stipulate it was in the area of Wyoming and Oakman Boulevard in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated.
Thank you. So at this time, the court, are you satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Where was your brother going, ma'am?
I can't remember.
All right, you knew he didn't have his license though, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so the fine is going to be $200, okay? How long will that take you to pay? Because when you pay it, this case is gonna be dismissed. So how long do you need, ma'am?
Say about 2 weeks.
Okay, if I give you 30 days, is that good enough?
Yes.
All right, so I'm gonna give you until December 1st, 2022 to have this paid. If it's paid, then we're going to dismiss this matter, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you can sign back in if you want to on that day. Additional sign. It's not a delay. It's a delay. But it's a dismissal from.
So how long is the delay?
I'm just gonna do it for a month. It's no delay since it's. Yes, it is. It's gonna be happening. So sign back in on December the 1st, 2022, ma'am, to the courtroom, just so we can make sure you paid it, okay?
Okay.
That's gonna be at 8:45 a.m., okay? Same
Okay.
Zoom information and everything. As long as you paid it, I'm gonna dismiss this ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a good day, Ms. Wells, okay?
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Tell your brother to give you something on that too.
Okay.
All right. Rachel Wheeler? Miss Wheeler? Rachel Wheeler?
Okay, there I am. It wouldn't allow me to unmute it first.
It's all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Rachel Cassell Wheeler.
Cassiel,
Cassiel Wheeler. This is ticket number P1360336. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number P1360309. This is count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Rachel Wheeler.
Thank you so much. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment in these matters. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Your Honor, we waive reading of the information in this matter. We stand mute. We do have a plea.
This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf, but it's my understanding, Ms. Wheeler, that you want to take advantage of the offer of expired plates.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of June 6, 2022, in the area of Livernois and Pico in the city of Detroit, Ms. Wheeler was driving a Land Rover and did have expired plates. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor, on behalf of the defendant.
Thank you so much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to expired plates. The remaining counts called on this record today will be dismissed. Ma'am, the fine for expired plates is $145. Yes, go ahead.
Your Honor, I'm not working right now. Is there any way to waive part of that fee?
No, but I can give you some extra time. I haven't been able to figure it out for civil infractions. I can do it for a lot of other stuff, but I can't do it for civil infractions. But I can set it out further for you to be able to have to pay it, okay?
Yeah, if you could. I just lost my husband a month ago. I've been going through a lot and I'm not working right now.
I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am.
Yeah.
That's just terrible.
Yeah, I've lost, since this ticket, I've lost 2 uncles, an aunt, another uncle in July, and I just buried my husband a month ago. So it's been really a rough last 6 months.
I hear you. That sounds just awful.
Yes.
I can set it out for, how about I set it out for 120 days? And then if you don't have it by that point in time, you let the court know and I can give you a little bit more time, Ms. Wheeler. So that takes us into March.
Okay, I
next
should
year-
definitely be back to
Okay.
work by then.
Okay, all
Yeah,
right.
and you said
So
it's
I'm sorry,
one,
I
you
can't
said
wait.
it's 175, ma'am?
145.
145.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I think
Okay.
March 1st, 2023, ma'am, I send my condolences to you.
Thank
and this
you.
loss and the loss of your job. I'm sorry, I can't do much with civil infractions. It's statute based, but I can give you some extra time to be able to.
Okay, I appreciate the extra time, ma'am.
Oh, absolutely. Okay, all right. Good luck to you, Ms. Wheeler, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Okay, I can leave now?
You can leave now, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Constance Webster, I'm so sorry. Ms. Webster,
Yes, ma'am.
now calling the matter of the people versus Constance Marie Webster. This is ticket P 1355457, one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
James Humphreys, House Counsel.
And ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Constance Marie Webster.
Today's the date time set for arraignment on this matter. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Waive reading of the information in this matter, Your Honor, stand mute. We do have a plea.
This time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. However, it's my understanding, Ms. Webster, that you want to take advantage of this plea today.
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down.
Thank
Ms.
you.
Webster, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to take your attention back to the date of June 3rd, 2022. At that time, did you own a Chevy vehicle, ma'am?
I did.
And did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive your vehicle?
I did, but I was unaware that he was not licensed.
They have to know that they're not licensed, right? All right, so you can have a bench or a jury trial in this matter, ma'am. Which would you like?
I'm sorry, I could have what?
You can have a bench trial or a jury trial. So you can either have a bench trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts, or a jury trial, which is before 6 individuals. You kept talking, so when you said the extra, I didn't know he was licensed. That means I can't take the plea, because you have to know that the person was licensed. So was not licensed. So I can't take the plea today. So I can do a bench or a jury trial in it, ma'am. Which one would you like?
I don't know that I understand.
So you have the right. So you were trying to make a factual basis in the plea. But once you told me that you didn't know he was unlicensed, that's one of the elements of the crime, one of the elements, meaning it's one of the things you have to know, that the person was not licensed. But you just told me that you didn't know that they were not licensed. So now that puts me at the next step, which is either having a bench trial or a jury trial. And you have to pick one of those that we have to move forward with.
I'm not. I don't know which is the best for me right now.
I'll put you back.
Bench.
Bench. Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of January 30th. (2023) It's gonna be at 9 a.m. via Zoom. The same way you Zoomed on today, you'll Zoom on that day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, ma'am. If there's nothing further, you're all set, ma'am. I'm sorry, Ms. Webster.
Okay,
I
I did,
understand
thank
you
you.
always want to explain to me, but sometimes when they over-explain, it means I can't take the plea because you told me too much. If you would have just said yes, we'd have been on the highway, but I can't take a plea knowing that you didn't know, so it'll be fine. They'll figure it out on the day of trial. Just time back on via Zoom on January 30th, 2023, and you'll be able to talk to the attorney that'll be on that day, and they'll get it all worked out, okay?
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay? You okay?
Thank you.
It's nothing bad, but sometimes, I know y'all be trying to explain, and it's nothing
Okay, thank you.
all right, have a good day.
You too, bye-bye.
Mr. Waynick?
I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus J. Adam Waynick. This is ticket P 1359962. This is one count of parks, autos on city property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
James Humphries, House Counsel.
Sir, can you state your name for the record, please? You, sir. Say your name, please.
Jake Adam Wainick.
All right. Today is the day and time set for an arraignment on the information. How are we proceeding, counsel?
Waive reading of the information in this matter, Your Honor, and stand mute.
All right. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. What are we
At
doing
this-
with this matter?
At this time, Your Honor, the defendant wishes to plead no contest due to his unawareness of the facts.
Okay. All right. Sir, if you want to take a no contest, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding that you, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
And this is going to be a no contest plea, sir. Do you understand that by taking this no contest plea, that you're not going to make any admissions on the record, but it's going to be treated like a guilty for all purposes. You understand that, Mr. Waynick?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're taking this no contest plea, of your own free will, is that correct?
Yes.
And you know by taking this no contest plea that you are going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 3rd, 2022. Reading from the ticket to establish a factual basis that Mr. Waynick was driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Riverside and Alter and did park it on the grass in that area near the entrance. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. The court is satisfied as well and will accept the no contest plea. Parked vehicle on city line. All right, sir. What happened on June 3rd? Was it just an event down there or something like that?
I have no idea.
Was somebody driving your car? Or did you?
That's the
park it?
only thing I could think of is my ex was living with me at the time and she might have had my car. I don't know why she wouldn't have told me she got a ticket. My mind's going all kind of places now. I'm not even going to get into that right now in the court, but I myself have no recollection of the ticket.
Hold on a second, okay, sir? Just give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. I'm gonna waive your costs and fines today. All
Thank
right,
you
this
so
matter
much.
is gonna- No problem. This matter is gonna be closed out, okay, as of today. All right. You might wanna talk to her about that though, because if she had your car and it was in your name, then you wanna make sure you don't have, any other outstanding matters, okay?
Okay.
All right. If nothing further, that concludes that hearing. Thank you. You're all set, sir.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day. All right, hey Shannon,
You know why I'm here, right?
for that morning one.
You keep
All right. Yeah, I know she does.